All right, let's talk about something big today. We are looking at the official, stable release of a tool that's really trying to change how developer teams work with APIs. If you've ever been stuck in that chaotic workflow, trying to sync up all your different tools and your teammates, well, you're going to want to stick around because Mostman 1.5 is finally here. So let me just ask you this straight up. Does your team's API workflow feel, well, chaotic? Are you constantly jumping between different apps, hunting down that one environment variable, or trying to figure out who has the latest version of a request? If you're nodding your head right now, yeah, you are definitely not alone. And this quote from the Mostman team just hits the nail on the head. Managing APIs shouldn't feel chaotic, but for most teams, it does. It's this universal pain point, right? A mess of fragmented tools and, let's be honest, some pretty insecure habits, like sharing secrets in places they really shouldn't be. Well, that chaos, that's exactly what Mostman was built to solve. So, let's take a look. Here it is. Mostman calls itself the API companion that runs anywhere. And the whole goal here is to bring all of your teams, your requests, and your environments into one single, focused workspace. It's all about unification. And here's the big news. This isn't a beta or some early preview anymore. Version 1.5 is the official stable release. It's ready for prime time. It's ready for your team to use right now. So how does it actually unify your team? Well, Mostman is built on this really smart core philosophy. One workspace, three ways. Because they get that not everyone on a team works the same way. And the approach is just so simple, but powerful. First, you get a beautiful modern desktop app for anyone who loves a great UI. Then, for all you keyboard-first developers, there's a super fast terminal TUI, so you never have to leave your comfort zone. And finally, for automation, a powerful CLI to script all your API calls and plug it right into your CI/CD pipelines. But here's the crucial part. It's all connected to the exact same workspace. And what this all leads to is the real magic here. Your team can finally collaborate without that constant productivity-killing pain of context switching. No more jumping between 5 different apps just to get one thing done. And that means shipping features faster and with way fewer headaches. Now, to make that happen, Mostman is just packed with features. You've got teams and workspaces to keep your squads organized, shareable collections to keep everyone in sync, a really powerful request builder, an environment manager, a secure API keys vault. There's even a built-in activity and review system. It's the whole shebang. And you can see right here how it all comes together. On the left, you've got your collections and workspaces all neatly organized. In the center, there's the detailed request builder. It's all right there in front of you. This isn't just some random list of features. It's a totally cohesive, integrated environment that's designed to keep you focused. I really want to zoom in on one specific feature, though, secure environments. This is so important because it solves a massive security risk. Instead of, pasting API keys into Slack or Teams, you store them securely in the vault. Your team gets to use them as mask values, but the raw secrets are never actually exposed. That alone is a total game changer. So if that chaos we were talking about at the beginning feels a little too familiar, the message here is pretty clear. It's time to unify your workflow. Mostman 1.5 is available to download from their website right this second. This isn't a coming soon. It's ready to go. And it's ready for everyone, no matter what operating system you're running. It's got native clients for macOS, Windows, and Linux. That means every single person on your team, from the designer on a Mac to the back-end dev on Linux, can use the exact same tool. Which really just leaves us with this one final thought. Forget about the frustration of fighting with your tools for just a second, and imagine, what could your team really build? What could you actually achieve if all of your tools finally, truly worked together?